Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N. We are here at the opening day of the RTR in Quartzite, Arizona. It's about 48 degrees this morning. It's cleared up. It's supposed to be sunny and nice this weekend, reaching highs of 75 this week. So it's a cold start to a nice weekend. But we're here at the RTR. Bob Wells was just up and said a speech, and now they're starting to talk about the different seminars and what they have planned for this week. It's out here again in the Quartzite Park, baseball diamond, and it's about as big as it was last time. It's a little differently organized, I think better this time than what I saw 2 years ago last year. And there's a lot of interesting things going on. So we'll just wander around through the park area here and let you see what the RTR here in Quartzite is like.
It doesn't have to be for now. If this is your first RTR, you probably want to sit back and learn some stuff. And that's why we're here. And we want to make friends with the people sitting next to us out on the field. And that's okay. But if you start thinking, I really like this and I would love to be a part of it next year, then you can sign up and kind of be on the list, and we'll reach out to you next year. All right.
The girls and I are parked right over there behind that building outside the ball field here.
As we look around,
they're behaving themselves. Then we come around here. They've got a brand new playground here. Really nice. And then we continue around to the ball field.
You can go to the Hala booth, Homes on Wheels booth, attend right over here, and sign up for that. Donations accepted, am I correct?
That's right there, the green box ambulance van. He's moving up.
Purchasing tickets for the sweepstakes is done via a website, but they can get more information at the Hala booth. Thank you. We have a tech support booth where people can get some help with phones and computers, muddling our way through various apps. We have the merch table where we are selling RTR and Homes on Wheels Alliance stuff, but by donations. Thank you for that correction. We have the Homes on Wheels booth where we can find out more information and get some help registering for the sweepstakes for Bob's Ambulance. The info booth is the rainbow tent over there. They know everything, and anything they don't know, they know where to point us to, or they can find somebody to help out. So ask questions there. And is that the button booth behind that? The button booth where we can get our name tag buttons and get to use that as a conversation starter as we're meeting each other and working on our homework that Bob assigned us. Beyond that, we have the bulletin boards. That's under the rubber tramp rendezvous on the backstop. People can post things for sale, things they need help with, things they're offering to help with. So if you need help with something, don't just post your help me with my broken battery. Take a look and see if somebody is offering their electrician services. Great community building opportunity there. Yeah,
a lot going on here. A lot of free help, information. Help everybody get started on the right foot. This area here has tables full of all types of clothing, cold weather gear, other items that you might find useful for your RV or RV living. It's all free. Donated by others who have been on this kind of trail and have moved on. So we're going to go out here to the food trucks, get something to eat for lunch. And on the outside of the field, they have the lunch trucks of all type, corn dogs, tacos, pulled pork, whatever makes your mouth water. This is quite a bit different from 2 years ago when I was here last. I'm going to walk around and see what the outskirts looks like. And all the way around here we have the field itself with the booths and the stage and where everything happens. Well, this year's RTR 2026 is a big change from the last one I was down here to see, the 2023. This seems to be a lot cleaner, a lot better organized, and maybe even better run. Of course, they've got a lot of additions here in the park area by the field. They've got a skate park, they've got an expanded recreational area with tennis courts and gazebos and places for kids to play. A lot of new things. And then they got the RTR here in the ball field. So yeah, it's a big difference from 2 or 3 years ago. Big difference, and a big improvement too, I'll say. So I think I've seen everything I can see, anything I'm interested in. They don't seem to have the area where you could tour some of the RVs, at least not designated like last time, so I'll bypass that. That's cool. I think I'll go back and check on the dogs. It's almost noon. Here's one of the entrances into the field. Over there is Bob Wells' old used ambulance camper conversion. He's got that up for auction for HOA, Home on Wheels. They just had their introductory speeches and explanations of everything here and what's going to be going on. And nothing starts again until about 1 o'clock after lunch. So the girls are in our RV right over there to the right of that person in the turquoise jacket. That's our rig facing us. I checked the security cams, and the girls are laying down, sleeping in the RV, very nice and peaceful. So I've gone around here, seen everything I want. So I think I'll go back to the pups. Hope you guys enjoyed this little glance at the RTR at Quartzite for 2026. You know, I'm kind of hungry, being darn near lunch. I was thinking, you know, I don't have crap in the RV to eat. I'm trying to slim down, so I think I'll go to one of these food trucks on the other side of the field here and grab me a little light lunch. This is the Quartzite Dog Park, just across the way from the ball field where the RTR is being done. They've got a couple of different size pens here for different weight size dogs. Give the dogs a chance to get out there and stretch their legs around without taking off into the desert. There's the RTR over there where that bunch of vehicles are. People discussing the RTR. I'll just wait and see when the dogs are ready to come back. Here comes Ember. They're all getting along well, which is great. So we're gonna run around here and play, and then we're gonna take off and do some more errands. Now the girls are getting along real well with all the other pups here. Everyone's sniffing each other, getting introduced, and just running around together. They get a feel what grass is underneath their feet for once. So we're gonna clear out to head someplace in the